Good day, everyone. I am Retami R. Padaro, a third-year IT student from St. Rita's College of Balingasa. Today, I will teach you how to use SQL null value. To start the demonstration, first open the WAMP server and click the MySQL console. Show databases. Use employee databases. Create table employee. ID and none. To say the result for SQL null value, the syntax would be describe employee. Here is the result. For more information, visit www.treeschool.com. Thank you.